Hello everyone, welcome back to another Photoshop 2023 tutorial. Going to show you how to do the one-click delete and fill option. It's brand new in Photoshop 2023 and I'm doing it right here. Let me show you how it can be done. It's very easy to do. Let's go ahead and delete the top layer. Starting from scratch, it should take about 60 seconds maximum. Okay, here we go. We've got an image loaded up. The first step, go over to your left side, grab the object selection tool. When you do that, it'll select objects. In this case, it's going to select this runner. I'm going to left click on her and presto, you'll see it's made a selection all around her. This is an optional step, but I recommend it. You now want to go up to select, modify, and expand it. We want to expand it about 30 pixels around her because when we delete her, we want to delete around her because we're using what's called content aware fill. So we've expanded it. Now all you need to do is hold down the shift key and hit the delete or the backspace button. It loads up the fill. Make sure content aware is selected, click OK, and she will be gone in about 3 seconds. That is all there is to it. Thanks for watching.